How to order items on TEMU. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily order items on the TEMU app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your TEMU application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you can head over to the home screen and choose what you want to order. You can even search for the items, or if you have the link for the item, you can paste the link and directly get to the item. So let me just scroll down here and find something to order. So let's just go ahead and order the pair of shorts. From here, you can tap on buy now or just add to cart. So if you just go ahead and tap on add to cart, you can choose what size you want or what color. So let's just do this white one, and then let's just choose large as our size and then tap on go to cart. Now from here, you can just select what kind of item you want to purchase or place order in. So let me just do the pair of shorts. From here, tap on the checkout button. And then finally add a payment method if you haven't already. And if you have any promotional codes or discount codes, you could enter that as well. And finally, you can just click on submit order. And once you've done that, your order will be placed and you'll be notified when your order is being delivered. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.